Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to blend effects in Photoshop. Let's get started. Pick up brand logo and drop it. And adjust the size. Hold the Control button and drag the first layer to make a copy. And decrease the opacity to 20%. Change the blend mode to linear burn. Now select the second layer, then duplicate it with Ctrl+J. And decrease the opacity to 15%. Select the second layer. And go to Blending Options. Adjust the blending options depending on your image. Then press OK. Select all layer. And press Ctrl+J to make a group. Rename the group to Effect. Let's see the before and after. Please like the video to support us. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.